All right, y'all, it's that time again. It's Math with Mrs. Peters, the crazy cat lady of Hiram High School. Today, we're going to talk about lines. Now, you're going to ask me some questions, and we're going to go through. Well, actually, you're not going to ask me any questions. I'm going to ask you questions, and hopefully, I will answer some of your questions at the same time. So, today, we're going to talk about lines and linear equations. Now, a linear equation is an equation for which the graph or the drawing, okay, and that's that red line that you see right here. Okay, that is a graph. The grid is called a coordinate system. The graph is always referring to the drawing, right, of the equation is a line that does not have any bumps, curves, or turns. Now, I want you to look at these three examples I've given you. Right? They're all examples of linear equations. And what I want you to notice is how are they the same, right? I want you to write how they are the same in this space right here, okay? Something that they are the same like is they're completely straight, okay? There is not a single curve. They can be, what I also want you to notice is that they can be flat, they can be vertical, they can be horizontal, all right? And all of those things they can be. Now I want you to look and I want you to tell me how you see that they are the same. Now we're going to look at some not linear equations, because it's just as important to know what they're not as what they are. And so here are some not examples, all right? They all either have a curve to them or they have bumps, like this green one here has a bump here and a bump there. Right, it looks sort of like the stock market. It goes up and down and up and down. Okay, a circle is not a linear equation. This curved parabolic shape right here, okay, it's not linear. Linear meaning the graph is a straight line. So all of these not examples have something in common. And I want you to tell me what those things are that you see that make them not linear examples. Now, lines and linear equations, part 2. The solution of a linear equation is any ordered pair that makes an equation true. Now, I've put some dots on my graphs. These are the same ones from our previous slide, right, that have some solutions. Now, this ordered pair right here, okay, that is -3, 0. And I want you to write down one of the ordered pairs that are listed. You can't write down mine. You have to write down your own in this other spot. Now, example B, right? This is the solution I'm going to write down, which is 5, 5. You write down what one of the other ordered pair are. And for example C, I'm going to write down this ordered pair, which is 3, 1. And you write down one of the other possible solutions. I think one of my dots got out of place. And you write them in these spots here, here, and here. And yes, I'm going to check your notes, see if you did your work. Right now, which of the given ordered pairs are solutions to the given graph? So I've got some graphs here, right? Let's find out, okay? Point, we'll put that on infinite donor so we can drag it around. 0.13, well, 0.13 is here, here, and there. So what I want you to do is I want you to tell me, is 0.13 on the graph given in example A? Yes. Is it on the graph in example B? No, it's not on my line. Is it on my graph in example C? No. All right, now let's drag them over to the 4, 5. Okay, so, oops, 4, 5. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's down there. Well, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, guess what? The answer to this question is yes, yes, and yes. Now, you're going to do the exact same thing for the next 3 points. You are going to tell me if the point 4, 3, negative 3 is on example A, B, and C. You're going to do it for point M, which is negative 3, 5. And you're going to do that same action for point P. And that's it for today's lesson. If you have any questions, write them down, bring them to tutoring, and I'll be more than happy to sit down and talk to you about them. Take care and have a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Bye.